In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a worksheet and assessment using Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher looking to streamline assignments or a business professional searching for a simple way to gather information, Google Forms offers an intuitive and versatile platform to fit your needs. Let's start by heading over to Google Forms. If you don't already have it bookmarked, you can simply type Google Forms into your search engine and you'll find it at the top of the results. Once there, you'll want to log in with your Google account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Now that you're in, click on the big plus sign labeled blank to create a new form. This will open a fresh canvas for you to begin designing your worksheet or assessment. At the top where it says Untitled Form, click and give your form a meaningful name. This will serve as the title that participants will see when they open your form. Don't skip the description box just below. Use it to offer a brief overview or instructions which can guide your participants through the form. The first question you'll create is usually of the simple variety, like a name entry field or multiple choice question. You can start by clicking on the first line labeled Untitled Question. Select the desired question type from the drop-down menu on the right, such as short answer, paragraph for more detailed responses, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down menus. Add your question text, and for multiple choice or checkbox questions, remember to provide the answer options. For more complex forms, you might want to add additional sections to group questions logically. Simply click on the two-bar icon in the floating menu on the right to add sections. These are helpful if your form has multiple parts, or if you want to divide it into sections such as personal details, objective questions, and feedback. As you continue adding questions, keep an eye on the floating toolbar. Here you can toggle on or off the required setting, which helps ensure your participants complete each question before submitting the form. You can also use the icon that resembles a paint palette to customize your form's color scheme and logo, making the form more visually appealing. After you have all your questions set up, it's crucial to preview your form to catch any errors. Click on the eye icon at the top of the page to see how your form will appear to others. Once satisfied, click on Send at the top right. You can send your form directly to participants via email or copy a shareable link. With Google Forms, the possibilities are virtually limitless when it comes to creating online worksheets and assessments. So there you have it, a quick, user-friendly way to gather information and evaluate understanding. Ready to take your form-building skills to new heights? Let's get started.